Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra makes an appearance on official Samsung support page. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has been spotted on the company's official website. So they're still going to have the Ultra name. It'll just be for the tablet. Or who knows? Maybe they'll be crazy and call the S22 the Ultra Note. Ultra Note. You don't want to mess with the Ultra. The render,
I don't mind that.
The render image shows the tablet will have a notch to house the selfie snapper, and the Tab S8 specs could include Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 11,200 milliamp hour battery, and of course S Pen support. So your pen will work here just like it has a very slim bezel. So your pen could work here just like it does on that next S22 Note idea that everyone's talking about. I mean, the design of these things is not really much to take from it because they just continue to get more slender. They continue to get a better screen-to-body ratio or a more aggressive screen-to-body ratio. And then otherwise, it's a rectangle, sir.
Yeah. What do you think about the notch, though?
Yeah, to see it in landscape orientation?
Yeah.
It almost looks like when you want to pull out on Samsung devices, you know, you pull out the little
drawer?
Whatever they call it. What do they call that? Quick access or something?
Sure.
I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it would probably be annoying in portrait mode, but then it would be less annoying in landscape mode. So I think that there's a landscape priority that they're doing here.
Yeah, I'm guessing you would have like a keyboard as well and a case and function like a laptop.
Well, because of the Ultra name, that's their version of Pro, right? Kind of. So you're right. Maybe this is it's going to be more targeted at sitting down at a desk or having one of those flippy cases and having a keyboard setup.